This is also really good at Glimmer Point Stag. We'd be happy to play one of those in our decks. 3/3 Vigilance for 4, and we have some pretty good bouncing abilities here. Tumble Magnets and whatnot. Yes, we will untap this. I really like getting the Trigon online, because, A, we can kill this. B, if he plays any dude with 3 toughness, we can, give it a counter and then double proliferate. But I don't think he has much, and because of that, I'm going to go ahead and just drop this Rusted Relic. 3 cards in hand, and he just took a big hit from a Contagion Engine. We'll start bashing with our Rusted Relic next turn. He may sack to bounce it later, but alright, now he has Razor Hippogriff mana. Alright. Yep, he's unblockable. I guess we may as well leave Rustic tapped, because he doesn't have any artifacts besides that, so... And now we can bash with Rusted Relic in the mirror. We're holding Gold Mirror back because I'm going to be wanting to drop the Trigon of Corruption this turn, and then holding 2 mana open, probably going to ping his Invisimancer. So again, really good synergy here. I do like the liquid metal coating with the Rustic. I think it's... I mean, it's a free icy manipulator, so that obviously that's good. He's bashing with Invisimancer and Vidalcan Surtark, maybe. There he goes. We'll go ahead and remove a counter. Get rid of this Invisimancer. And we have no further actions this turn. Yeah, we'll leave it tapped some more. Takes 7, unless he has... There he goes, bounces that. And we'll just replay this Rusted Relic. Could get halt ordered, but I doubt it, yeah. There's a lot of creatures that, you know, stall the game, like Nurok Replica, the Golem's Heart. This gains him life here. Although this is just an awesome card. I love the Razor Hippogriff, don't get me wrong. But all this life gain is definitely slowing us down. So Trigon plus Contagion Engine seems good. Gets rid of his Razor Hippogriff. We can keep bashing away. He returned his Nurok Replica. Move a counter on the Hippogriff. Vidalcan Surtark. You gotta be careful playing with this card, because if you don't have the Metalcraft, a 1/1 for 1 is not good. Believe it or not. And we'll refill our Trigon up to 3 charges there. And yeah, let's bash with everyone. I don't mind trading Surtark for any of these. Yikes. Really weakens any of his creatures that he can play. So he's going to sell the game more. And yeah, we'll go ahead and tap that down. I'm going to go ahead and pop off this Vidalcan Surtark. Yeah, he's going to bounce the Rusted Relic, otherwise he dies. Let's get some evasion out there. So if he doesn't have anything else, Tumble Magnet wins the game. Stoke Rebuttal. Alright, well, we'll just tap your Glenhawk Idol then. And that should be game right there. Alright, there's round 1 sweep, and we'll get started back up when match 2 starts.